Chinese holiday can affect your business. So you need to know exactly what these days are so that you will be on the safer side, so that you will have bought your goods early or probably know how to fix yourself so that it won't affect your business. So when we talk about Chinese holiday is not like Nigeria holiday we have here, guys. So Chinese holiday can go on for like 20 days, 30 days. It just depends on the type of holiday that is currently going on. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the Chinese holiday to look out for so that it won't affect your business. So the first one, which is like the hardest one, guys, it is in January. So it happens in January to February. So this holiday go on for 8 days. Like all factories in China will be closed down for 8 days, guys, and it do start around January 28th. So you should take note of that. So January 28th, from January 28th, the holiday will end around February 6th or 4. I think it is 4. So the holiday will go on for those period, guys. So always take note of that. So that is one of the like long form of holiday China do have. So like I said, China do have a lot of holiday in a year, and all these things can affect you if you don't know how to position yourself. Another holiday that can affect you is this October holiday, guys. So October holiday go on for like 12 days or sometimes 2 weeks, guys. So it just depends. It go on for like 2 weeks. So that is why in my last video, I made a video in my last video that I said that you should buy your goods now, because if you don't buy it now, it will affect you, guys, because your goods might come late during December period and you don't want that for your customers. So that's why I said you should buy your goods now. So October holiday can go on for like 2 weeks, like 2 whole weeks, guys. So you should take note of that. So these two holiday can affect you a lot. And how do you bypass that? It is very easy. Just go online and search for Chinese holiday so that when you want to buy, you will just know the time to buy, guys. So like I said, there's difference between knowing how to buy from China and knowing when to buy from China. So now you'll be able to know when to buy your goods from China, guys. You won't just buy and then you will notice that, oh, like my goods should have get to my warehouse a week or two, guys, and then you won't see your goods. So all these things shouldn't affect you. Like it has affects me before early years in my importation journey, guys. So it has affected me, it shouldn't affect you too. So that is why I'm making video about it so that you can know what to do, guys. Always search online to check Chinese holiday so that if you buy, you will know that, oh, your goods will get to warehouse on time and it won't be delayed due to holiday or any other things like that. So guys, I've already give you what to do, guys. So just buy early, like buy in like a month or two before the holiday. Like we are in September right now. If you want to sell in December, you can buy now. You will know that between like a week or two, all your goods will have arrived at the warehouse. So we won't have been in October then when the holiday will start. So by then you will have packed your goods and tell them to ship it down to your country, guys. So by doing that, guys, you already bypass the holiday. So that is how to go about it, guys. So like I said, there is difference between knowing how to buy and when to buy. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below, guys, and I'll check it out. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you find this video educative, and see you next time.